Hey beautiful family, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this quick and easy Mediterranean salad along with this delicious tasty tahini sauce. So if you'd like to see how I put this meal or dish together, then keep watching. So here's everything on the counter. So I'm going to start with the ingredients for a salad. I have some cherry tomatoes here. I'm going to be using this chopped salad kit, as well as I'll be dicing some of this purple cabbage. I'm going to wash and drain and add a can of chickpeas to it. And then in this bowl I have a purple onion that I'm going to dice. I also have red, green, and yellow bell pepper. Okay, so now for the tahini sauce. Right here I have some black pepper, some low sodium soy sauce. Also have some cayenne pepper, some peanut butter, curry powder. I have some turmeric powder, garlic powder. I have some salt. I'm going to add a small amount of salt to it. In this bowl I have a piece of ginger and some garlic that I'm going to grate and mince. And then I have some rice vinegar that I'm going to add to that. And then in this bowl right here I have some water. So let's get started now with prepping our salad. Okay, so far in this bowl I've added a quarter cup of the peanut butter. So now to that I'm going to add a tablespoon of the minced ginger and 1 clove of garlic that I grated. So now I'm going to add a tablespoon of this rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar, you can use lime juice. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce. And again, this is low sodium. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of the curry powder. So I'll put, where's my curry powder? So I'm going to add like, say about 2 teaspoons of this curry powder. Actually, I'm going to start off with 1 teaspoon, then I'm going to taste it, and if I want to add another one, I'll go in and add another one. Then I'm going to add some of this cayenne pepper. I'm going to be gentle with this. Add like a quarter. This is my quarter. It's a very small amount of this. I don't want it too much kick to it. And if you like yours, you don't mind spicy, you can add more to that. Then I'm going to add some of this ground turmeric. I'm going to add the same amount, quarter teaspoon. Let me get another spoon. I don't want to contaminate the bag. Okay, and that. Just close this up real good. Then I'm going to now add some warm water. I have my water here, so I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of warm water. Let me go heat this up in the microwave and I'll be back. Okay, so I have my warm water. I'll start off with 3, and if it's too thick for me, then I'll go in and add the 4th one. Then I'm going to add some black pepper. Just a small amount. And then I'm just going to add a couple of, it's like a small amount of salt. There we go. And this is kosher salt that I use. So now I'm going to mix all this together. Okay, so I'm going to taste this. Ooh, that tastes good. Oh, that tastes so good. So I'm glad I just added the 1 spoon of the curry. Now, if you like curry and you like it strong, go ahead and add. You can add like the 2 tablespoons. But for me, it is perfect. Oh, that tastes so good. That tastes delicious. Okay, so I don't have my garlic powder here, but I decided not to add that since I already have some garlic in there. So now I'm going to bring in our bowl. Move you, just adjust you a little. So now I'm going to pour this entire bowl over our salad. Okay. Now I'm going to take my wooden spoon. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together. And there you have it. You can add cucumbers to this if you like. You can do some jalapeno peppers to give it an extra kick. Alright, so I'm just going to taste this. You can even add cranberries to it to give it kind of a little sweet and savory. But I don't have any cranberries, but you could add cranberries to this as well. So let me just taste it. Yes. So I'm gonna plate this, which technically I pretty much don't even have to do it. Just transfer some of this in a bowl. But yeah, this is we have our Mediterranean salad with tahini dressing, family. Yeah. All right. So let me in the video here. So but yeah, really simple, easy salad, and like I said, just feel free to adjust it and add your own. Okay, so family, I thank you so much for watching. Until I see y'all in the next video, I love you. Be well, be safe, God bless, and yeah, thank you for all your support. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share, like, and comment below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.